Health Minister Moses Jean-Baptiste has warned that it is too early for the public to let their guard down as COVID-19 side effects linger long after the virus vanishes. St. Lucia is among several countries experiencing a spike in COVID-19 infections coinciding with the relaxation of pandemic protocols. Jean-Baptiste urges St. Lucians to protect themselves and follow the infection and prevention control guidelines as measures are lifted and social activities resume. He spoke to reporters ahead of the weekly cabinet meeting on Monday.
Evidence suggests that many people who contract COVID-19 seem to be recovering more quickly with the subvariants of Omicron, and therefore people relax. But we continue to be concerned because the COVID-19 pandemic is still on, and even though individuals who contract COVID-19 recover quickly, what the evidence is showing is that months after, 4 or 5 months after, many of these individuals present problems which they did not have before. And so therefore we continue to be concerned that individuals may not be taking the necessary precaution.
The Health Ministry is monitoring the situation at the respiratory hospital to ensure that resources are adequate to effectively respond to the increase in COVID-19 numbers.
All of the clinical measures which we have taken before with the doctors at the respiratory hospital and the staff, these measures are still being practiced. In other words, the numbers don't determine how seriously we take the COVID-19 situation. It is obvious that we are monitoring the numbers there because the hospital has a certain capacity, and that is why we continue to tell St. Lucians not to take this COVID-19 situation as a joke. It's not a joke, and it will continue to be something which we'll be concerned about.
Prime Minister Philip J. Pierre also stated his concerns about the growing pandemic numbers and the low vaccination rate. Prime Minister Pierre continues to appeal to St. Lucians to get vaccinated in order to minimize chances of severe illnesses, hospitalizations, and deaths.
Very concerned about it. We always ask people to follow the protocols. Follow them, wear your mask, sanitize, and that must continue. We would hate to have to close the country again. That can't happen. We wish that will not happen. But I want to urge solutions to get vaccinated. There has been almost a stoppage in terms of vaccinations. We're very concerned about it. We think people should get vaccinated because the science have proven, and I'm going to use the word science again, the science has proven that the only way to get some sort of relief or some sort of assistance in the fight against COVID is by being vaccinated.
Many popular social activities have been making a comeback, including Groselay Street Party. The Health Minister says the government will have to take stock of these activities and determine a way forward as the country learns to coexist with the COVID-19 virus. Joachim Du Plessis, HDS News Force.